on account production of fixed assets. Dear students, as in brief, we have talked about it, but here we see that why do we find difference between activities performed by men and women? Due to historical and cultural reasons, there is a division of labor between men and women. We find division of labor between men and women. What are the reasons behind it? So, the historical and cultural reasons behind division of labor between men and women. Women generally look after domestic works and domestic tasks, and men work outdoor works. In India, above 2/3 population is engaged in agriculture or in primary sector. We ever find men work in the fields, while women look after the domestic works and domestic chores. For example, Sakal's mother, Sheila, cooks food. Your mother also cooks food. Does your father cook food in your family? No. You get answer no. Your mother cooks food. Your mother cleans the house, washes the clothes of the family, sweeps the houses, looks after children. They all are domestic chores, domestic works, which are done by women, done by your mother in your family. In contrast of your mother, your father works in field or works in an office, works in a school, works in a hospital, so on. We find that men work in the field. Sheila, like your mother, is not paid for services delivered for upbringing or upbringing of the family. Your mother also share in upbringing the family, but she is not paid. Her services are not recognized. While your father earns money, which he spends on rearing his family, and his work is recognized as economic or market activities. Gita, mother, Bilas, Gita, mother of Vilas, earned an income by selling fish. In other hands, we saw in the Vilas cases that his mother Gita earns money by selling money. Thus she enters in the market activity. They are earning like that of their male counterpart is determined on the basis of education and skill. It means what do determine the economic activity and market activity. So economic activities or market activities are determined on the basis of education and skill. Education helps individual to make better use of the economic opportunities available before them. Education and skill are the major determinants of earning of any individual in the market. As you find in your neighborhood that educated family is economically well rather than the uneducated family or uneducated households. Because education helps that family to make better use of the economic opportunities available in the market. A majority of women have meager education. What are the reasons? The historical and cultural reasons. Are the low payment for women. So, low education, low skill formation, lack of job security, lack of legal protection, irregular employment, and low income. In this sector, there is an absence of basic facilities. That's why women's condition in market in an economy is meager because there is absence of facilities like maternity leave, lack of child care center, social security, lack of social security system, etc. However, nowadays, women with high education and skill formation are paid at par with the men. Several educated women are working in schools, are working in health department, in administrative sector, in defense sector, means in different sectors nowadays women are working with high education. Among the organized sector, like teaching and medical, attract them the most. In most of the school, we find women teachers. In health department, most of the nurses are women. That's why teaching and medical attract them the most. Some women have entered administrative and other services, including jobs that need high levels of scientific and technological competence. Thus, we see that there are several economic activities performed by men and women around us, which are characterized by their income level, education level, technological level, scientific level, etc. Thank you. In next class, we will discuss about the quality of population. Thank you.